namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for supporting me, for liking my content. Thank you so very much. So whenever you subscribe, please press on the notification bell so you can get updated whenever I upload. Okay, so in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today's pick a card reading is about the a full moon. We have a full moon coming in on May 26th. Yeah, so let's see what is this lunar eclipse going to bring to you guys. That is going to be the reading for today. So yeah, the eclipse is happening in the sign of Sagittarius. So yeah, let's see. So yeah, I have 3 piles over here. So we have group number 1, that is this one, blue agate. For group number 2, it's bloodstone, and for group number 3, it's obsidian, snowflake obsidian crystal. Okay, so relax, take a deep breath and let go of all the worries, and then select a crystal or a pile that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And yeah, so 1 2 3, so the timestamps will be in the description box. So I'm gonna go with group number 1. Group number 1, if you choose this blue agate, let's see what is happening for you guys. This full moon, this super moon, right? Yeah, we have a lunar eclipse happening in Sagittarius on May 26th. So let's see. So this full moon, I feel like it's the time to get out of your limited beliefs. It's to explore yourself. For some of you, I feel like you're getting out of this dark period. Yeah, sometimes you have to walk through that dark period to see the light. Okay, like I'm getting this dark night of the soul for you guys, but finally you are you're exploring yourself, like searching yourself. You have been doing that. You have been in this hermit mode also, I feel like, for some of you, but finally you are you're finding yourself, you're discovering yourself. I feel like that. Okay, let's see. Action 6. Okay, so it's time to take action. So this full moon, it's like telling you to go for the things you always wanted to do. So don't hold yourself back. Sometimes we hold ourselves back because of our limited beliefs, isn't it? We are afraid to get out of our comfort zone. So it's time to do the action. Walk your talk, I'm getting. So if you have been planning, if you have been talking about something, it's time to do that. If you want to dance, go ahead. If you wanted to learn dancing, go ahead and do that. The thing that makes you happy, the thing that you wanted for yourself for so long time. Okay, so it's time to do that. Sometimes we hold back because of our society, because of our parents, because of our people around us, because of our friends. There are so many ways we stop ourselves to explore ourselves, right? We stop doing the things that makes us happy because we want to make others happy, and in that we get into the dark period, right? Because we are not doing anything for ourselves. And when we don't do something for ourselves, we get into this like jealousy, egoistic, like, yeah, we get into that. We envy other people. Oh, they are living their life, I'm not able to do that. So it's time to take care of yourself. It's time to do the things you always wanted to do. It's time to explore yourself. Okay, don't hold yourself back. If someone doesn't support you, that doesn't mean that you're not meant to do that. Yeah, sometimes when we share our ideas to other people, people will be like, oh, this will not work, don't do it. Or maybe you wanted, like, for example, you wanted to start a YouTube channel where you will be dancing, and people will be like, oh, are you mad, you don't dance well. And because of that you feel like, oh, I'm not worthy, I'm not able to dance, and you just end that plan, right? So don't do that. Don't share your ideas. If you feel something, if you feel like you want to do this, go ahead and do it, right? You don't have to ask for opinions. So sometimes it's about taking a risk, right, and going with it. Yeah, sometimes it's about trusting ourselves. Yeah, okay. Yeah, believe in the impossible. Interesting. Yeah, it's time to believe in the impossible. Sometimes you feel like, oh, no, even if I start, nothing is going to happen. You feel like that, and then you ask for an opinion, and then yes, you get that only, oh, There will be a lot of people who will be discouraging you, don't do that, don't do that, nothing will happen, nothing is going to happen, they will say. And you'll be like, yeah, so you will stop that, don't do that. It's like to get to do that. Yeah, it's to do what you want to do. Sometimes we are so used to be in that comfort zone that it's very hard for us to get out, and so that maybe that's why we ask for other people's opinion. But they are also in their comfort zone, they don't see your potential, right? For some, yeah, it's important it's important to see our own potential. It's important to actually love ourselves first. Yeah, make yourself a priority, guys, and then believe in the impossible. Sometimes you will make it happen. So this is a rare opportunity. Just don't stop yourself. If you want to do, if you feel like that, if you have this nudge, go for it, take action. Yeah, it's time to release the negativity. Yeah, sometimes you feel like that I will not be able to do it, I'm not worthy enough. How then you will look in your past and you will see, oh, how many times I have failed, and then you will stop. Don't do that. That is what it's time to release that, because you're transforming with the Scorpio energy. It's like a new birth for you guys, I feel like. Yeah, you are like a major rebirth for you guys. You're going to be a new person. So yeah, your past is not going to repeat. But if you keep thinking about your past, and if you feel like that you're not worthy, and if you're not taking action, then how you will get this opportunity? So it's time to do something different. It's time to get, yeah, it's time to do something different and believe in yourself. Trust and release that negative thoughts about yourself. Surrender to the divine. Trust. Don't think too much about the outcome. Sometimes we even before starting, we think about the outcome. So let go of all the expectations, and without expecting anything, start your journey. Do that what you always wanted to do. Okay, look at it, overwhelm and plenty for some of you. Okay, believe in the impossible and overwhelm and plenty. So it's like maybe you will receive support from the people you never thought of. Okay, that is what I feel like. It will be you will feel very overwhelmed. So maybe just an example, that as I told, maybe you will start a YouTube channel and you will get a lot of support from other people. Maybe it will not be your family members who will be supporting you. Different people, like from different countries, will be supporting you, and you will be so overwhelmed. There will be so much plenty, right? Look, there is so much love. I feel for many of you, it's like there is so much divine love. The universe is supporting you in this thing, but you are the one who needs to take that action. Yeah, it is going to take a lot of strength. It's like with the strength card, it's like, yeah, it's like getting out of your comfort zone. It's like being courageous, being confident, being rebellious. It's like taming your own inner demons, right? Sometimes our negative thoughts, our fears, you have to tame that, isn't it? It's going to be like, you have to become very strong for that. You need to be bold and make that take that action. So yeah, it will make you a stronger person. It will take a lot, you will have to put that courage. It will be sometimes it will make you fearful, but yeah, it will take a lot of strength. But when you do it, look at the Empress, you will be able to with this Empress, it's like it's about becoming more kind, more compassionate. Look at the fruits of your fruits. Look, you will be able to get that success. You will have everything you want. You will get the support. You will be recognized for who you are, right? And we have overwhelm and plenty, and with this Empress also, I'm getting that abundant energy for you guys. But it will take a lot of strength from your part. Okay, you will have to put that effort. You will have to wake up every day and do something for it. Instead of fearing, instead of putting that negative thoughts, you will have to do more positive thinking, right? You will have to work for it. You will have to take action. You will have to trust. It is going to be like you will have to make a routine. You will have to keep that faith. It should be like a lot of self discipline it will take on your part. And when you will trust it, when you will believe in yourself, and when you will let go of that, sometimes people might come and criticize you. You need to let go of that and believe in yourself. Yeah, you can learn, you can improve the things, right? Sometimes constructive criticism is good. We can improve ourselves, but that doesn't mean that you have to stop, you have to give up. Okay, so yeah, there is a lot of potential. You have a lot of potential. That is what it's saying. You can give so much more than you think you can. Okay, yeah, you are worthy. That is what is like. You're meant to have a very abundant life. You're not meant to be living a life of lack. You need to get out of that lack mentality. Maybe for some of you it's your finances. You feel like that will never be enough for you guys. No, it's just your thinking. You need to get out of it. And when you trust, then you will receive a lot, right? So that is what I am getting for group number 1. Bye bye, take care. Hello group number 2. If you choose this bloodstone, let's see what are your full moon messages. We have a full moon in Sagittarius on May 26. So let's see what are your messages for this lunar eclipse. So the first card you have is the Path. Oh, we have 8 number. So you have been waiting for something. A new path is going to open up for you guys. For some of you, it's like you're going to climb the ladder of success. For some of you, it can be a new job that is coming your way, a new path, a new person. Okay, but this thing is going to be something that you have been waiting for so long. You have been patiently waiting for something, and that is what is going to come for you guys. Like finally the path is going to be open, and you will be able to step on this ladder and move forward in your life. So yeah, momentum, movement. For some of you, I even feel like travel or something like that is going to happen. Yeah, maybe you had an idea that you wanted to pursue, but finally you are going to get the steps. Yeah, universe will give you the like right people are coming your way, and you will be able to move forward with your plans. Okay, so this new path is opening up. For some of you, it's like a spiritual, you're growing spiritually. You're taking small steps towards spirituality, and that will open up so much for you guys. Okay, your vision is going to be like, yeah, sometimes we have limited vision about ourselves, about our life, but you're expanding that. You're not holding on to one vision. Like you're seeing a lot of opportunities for yourself. Okay, wow, look, fortune's wheel, luck and right timing. So for some of you, you have been waiting for this for quite a time. Like, when will my wheel turn? When will I have that luck? I have been seeing other people moving forward. They are becoming successful. They are living their best life. When will I? You have been waiting. You have been waiting. I feel like for this while you have been waiting patiently. You have been doing your work and you have been waiting patiently. But yeah, the time is now. Yeah, with this full moon, lot of new opportunities are coming your way. You are going to move forward. If you're already doing a job, I feel like you will be recognized there also. Maybe your ideas will be recognized, because this full moon in Sagittarius is all about like yeah, becoming speaking your truth, like being rebellious, right? Getting out of our limited beliefs. That is what I feel like. You are also going to speak your truth. Yes, I want this much. I want this. If I work this much time, I want this much pay. Like you're going to speak your truth. That is also I feel like. So speak your truth, guys. Oh, that is also important. But definitely, your times are changing. Like the wheel of fortune. The wheel has been like. Sometimes we feel out of luck, right? So finally you are going to become lucky again. Okay, things are changing for you guys. Yeah, the right timing is now. So yeah, you are going to get this opportunity, and whenever you get an opportunity, go for it. If you feel like, yeah, this is the thing I want to do, go for it. If a new person comes and you feel like very connected to this person, go trust that path. Okay, because This is going to give you a lot of happiness and abundance. That is what I feel like. Wow, look, you are very close to achieving your goal. So yeah, for some of you, you have been patiently waiting for something, and finally that is going to come. Maybe it's like your dream job. You have been patiently waiting for that. Finally you will get get the email. Yes, that, yeah, that is what I feel like. Yeah, finally you have been working on this thing. You have been working on something and you're going to achieve that. Maybe it's a personal goal of yours, or maybe it's a career goal, or whatever it is, but definitely I feel like finally the wheel is turning and finally you're going to achieve it. Okay. Oh yeah, a personal issue reaches resolution. So yeah, definitely. For some of you, I feel like you have been working on yourself, you have been working on your shadow side, and when we let go, we surrender, that is when the magic happens, and that is what you have been doing, I feel like it. And because of that, you're going to get this opportunity. Sometimes we hold on to things that are not good for us. Finally you're releasing, and because of that you are able to let go, you're able to surrender, and your issues, like this personal issue, reaches resolution. For you guys, it's like you wanted this thing, or you wanted to achieve a certain goal, and finally it's going to be resolved, and you will be able to achieve that thing. But you have waited patiently for this thing. You have been waiting patiently. I feel like you have worked, you have done the hard work. Finally it's time to like, it's time for achieving that success, right? It's time for success. It's time for happiness. Finally I'm getting the tables are turned or something like that. Finally you're the one. You have been seeing other people's success. Now it's time, it's your time. Yeah, justice, look, justice for some of you. Yeah, so, okay, if there is a, yeah, personal issue reaches resolution. I don't know why I'm okay. So yeah, and we have justice and knight of cups. So maybe for some of you there was a court issue, there was a personal issue, court issue. It is going to be resolved, and because of that maybe it's a divorce. So maybe finally the divorce will be finalized and you will be able to move forward with your life. So maybe that is your goal, to get finalized this and get out of this, and that is good news happening for you guys. Yeah, for some of you it's like in your career, maybe you had maybe you had a contract about something, and this thing was not good for you guys. Finally you are yeah, that contract is over and you're moving forward. Finally your good luck is happening here. That is what I feel. Finally you're moving forward in your life. Finally the karma is balancing. Okay, yeah, that is what I'm getting. A good news is coming, and with this good news your yeah, this personal issue will be resolved. So something you have been waiting for is coming, and you will achieve that goal. So that is what I feel for group number 2. Bye bye, take care. So group number 3, if you chose the snowflake obsidian, let's see what are your messages. So what is happening for you guys? Like, what is your full moon messages? We have a super moon on May 26th, like a full moon in Sagittarius. So with this full moon in Sagittarius, we are exploring ourselves, we are getting out of a comfort zone, we are letting go of that limited beliefs. This moon is about that, right? So yeah, so what are your limited beliefs? So if you have any limited beliefs, it's time to release that limited beliefs at this time. Okay, so let's see what is your messages. So we have, wow, we have blossoming number 33. Yeah, God, so you are going to be very creative, I feel like, at the full moon time. So you're going to get a lot of ideas. That is what I feel like. You're going to get a lot of ideas. For some of you, you have been working very hard on something. I feel like that your fruits of labor, yeah, you're going to get your fruits of labor, something like that. Like your hard work is paying off. You're going to be very creative. So if you are into music and all, so maybe your music will be recognized, I feel like that. Okay, so for some of you it's like you connect with your with the universe through music. Maybe meditation music, you can use meditation music for relaxing yourself, for connecting with the universe. But look at the color, the green color. Your heart center is like Yeah, you're opening up your heart center. Maybe you had closed it, but I feel like you're slowly opening up the heart center. You're becoming more forgiving. You're forgiving yourself. You're taking care of yourself, and you're just gonna blossom from inside and out. You're becoming more beautiful. Like when we open up our heart center, when we are full of love, we glow, and that is what I'm feeling for you guys. But definitely, if you have been working hard on something, I see that you're going to blossom. You're going to get the good, you know, you're going to be getting the rewards I'm getting. Okay, so look at the number 33. 33 is like a very I feel like it's like a number of growth. Yeah, of growth, of expansion, of connecting with the universe, trusting universe. Yeah, of you have a connection with your archangels, angels, and you have a strong connection. Okay, understand that. And yes, you are going to blossom. Look at this card, is so beautiful, isn't it? And like this card, you're also going to be blossoming with the flowers, and flowers is all about like happiness. When we receive when we receive flowers, we feel so happy, right? That's what I feel like. You're going to be very happy, you're going to feel very fulfilled, and you will be like, yes, I did this. I made this happen. Okay, maybe it's like just like you might it can be just a small thing, like you will cook for your family and you will be like, yes, I cooked, I did it, oh, my food is so tasty. So like that kind of energy I'm feeling for you guys. Yeah, wow, you and your loved ones are safe, so you don't have to worry about anyone. You don't have to worry about the safety of your family. Maybe you're worrying about that. Maybe you leave you are away from your family members, and with this, you know, all this coronavirus thing, maybe you're stressing about it, but you don't have to worry about them. Your family is secure, you are safe, your family is safe, everyone is going to be okay. Okay, don't stress too much. Maybe you are very, I feel like you love your family a lot. Everyone loves, but I feel like you are like a family person. For some of you, I'm getting the Cancer vibes. Yeah, Cancer people are so, they care about their family so much, right? So yeah, you are also like that kind of family. You want to give things to your family, you want to love your family, you want to give that happiness to your family, you want to make your family wishes come true. Yes, you will do it. You don't have to worry about it. You're going to blossom, and yeah, you will be, your family members will be happy for you guys. Okay. Oh, don't let your past hold you back. Okay, for some of you, it's like in your past, sometimes in a past, you know, I feel like in your past you are not so that confident people. Okay, yes, I feel like you were kind of a reserved type of people, maybe introvert people also. So don't let anything about your don't let your past hold you back. Yeah, you're not that person anymore. I feel like that you have transformed a lot. You're becoming more courageous, more passionate, more confident. So sometimes I feel like you have a tendency to get into your own shell, like to become like your past self. Sometimes we yeah, don't let that happen. Okay. Keep on moving forward, keep on exploring yourself, do things that make you happy, be passionate. Yeah, believe in your creative ideas. Maybe sometimes you have hard time believing in your own creativity because of your past. Okay, maybe in past you failed. Sometimes we hold on to that. It's time to release that. Okay, maybe just release that. Maybe, yeah, for you guys, I feel like during full moon, just release the limited beliefs about yourself that you have, right? Maybe in the past you failed, or maybe you are not that confident kid. Just release that. Okay, because you are a new you. You're going to blossom. You're not the old one, you're completely new. You have transformed a lot. Okay. Yeah, oh my god, like the power of community, your spirit guides, your angels. I was talking about 33 number, right? And yes, you are going to be supported. Your angels, your spirit guides, your archangels, everyone is supporting you, and your family is also supporting you. The power of community, look, the togetherness I'm getting. So yes, you are going to be appreciated for your work. Okay, so maybe in the past you weren't, and that's why you sometimes you hold on to that thing, right? Oh, what if I don't get that? So sometimes you don't believe in yourself, so don't let that happen, okay? So yeah, you're going to be supported. Maybe you are like if you do YouTube or whatever, or if you have Insta family where people support you, yeah, everyone is going to support you. There is a lot of support. For you guys, I feel like everything is going to be good. Yeah, but don't don't doubt yourself, don't sabotage yourself, okay? Believe in yourself. That is what I feel for you guys. 26 number, like 8 is also about like abundant number, right? And we have so much of abundance over here. The flower, look at the flowers, there's so many flowers, and there is so much support all around you. Look at the brightness. So yeah, that is what I feel like. Yeah. Get out of your comfort zone. Yeah, do something daring. That is it. You will be supported. Sometimes we are afraid to do something daring because we feel like that will not be supported. That's just your limited belief. Okay, you will be supported by your everyone, family, everyone. You will be supported. And if someone doesn't support you, that doesn't mean that you're not worthy or you're not capable or your idea is not good. It's just them. Okay, release that. Look, high priestess, very intuitive. So you're going to be very intuitive. So maybe you're receiving a lot of creative ideas. So take that ideas, and yeah, your intuition is going to be on point. And with this Cancer also, we have this new one in Cancer, and I feel like the Cancer sign is also very intuitive. So the water sign, maybe your Cancers. Oh, not. I'm getting this Leo energy also. Anyways, with this high priestess Virgo energy. So yeah, okay. Yeah, lot of new, there is so much information that you're going to receive. I feel like that. You are going to receive a lot of information. You don't know so much now. Like a lot of new information is coming your way. A lot of creative ideas. Take that creative ideas, and yeah, trust yourself. With this high priestess, yeah, that is what I feel like with this high priestess. A lot of knowledge. So if you're yeah, I feel with this high priestess also, it's the best time to learn about new things, to spend some time for learning new things. Okay, that is also I'm feeling like. And look, we have the flowers here also, isn't it? Yeah. Oh wow, look at the Three of Pentacles. Your creative ideas are going to be recognized and appreciated. That is what I feel like. So wherever you're working, your ideas are going to be recognized. You're going to be recognized. You're a very good team player. You will be recognized. Look, again we have the community, and we have people supporting you. Again, we have your family, friends supporting you for your work. Okay, so if in the past people didn't support you, that doesn't mean they will not support you now. Your community is growing. That is what I feel like. People are recognizing your work, finally getting recognized for what you have been doing. Maybe in the past you were not recognized. So this is what is happening. You're going to be recognized for your work, and people will be like, wow, that's just yeah, they will be like, wow, you're so wonderful, what a nice job, you're very good at what you do. So that is what I feel for you guys. Okay, so yeah, group number 3, bye bye, take care.